Hi, I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel, and today we're going to show you Suncoast Billet Flex Plate for the 6R140s. If you're doing any work on your 6R140 transmission, we definitely suggest that you switch over to a Billet Flex Plate. Today we're going to show you Suncoast Billet Flex Plate for the 6R140s. This works for the 2011 and up trucks, and at the time of this filming, the correct part number for this from Suncoast is 6R140-BFP. So let's talk about some of the advantages that the Suncoast Billet Flex Plate has over the stock Flex Plate. You can see our stock Ford Flex Plate here. This is just thin wall steel on the Flex Plate itself. The ring gear is a separate portion from the Flex Plate. Then you have a spacer here that is for your bolts on this, and then the balancing on this Flex Plate, you can see those balance weights are welded on there for balance. So, you know, is it a tough Flex Plate? Yeah, it's a tough Flex Plate, but there definitely can be there can for sure be some better changes to this, to make this Flex Plate a whole lot more durable and a whole lot more reliable. So enter the Billet Flex Plate from Suncoast. Now this is an SFI certified Flex Plate from them. This is machined to 5/1000 tolerance out of 4340 round stock, all billet, so it's all one piece. This is balanced. The ring gear section is chamfered for positive starter engagement. This is a really nice unit, much more heavy duty. You can see the balance, the balance machining work that's been done there to balance the Flex Plate for you. Really nice unit. It's got the Suncoast logo on the back of it. Again, this is SFI approved for you racers, so it's if you're doing a 6R140, we definitely suggest that you switch out to the Billet Flex Plate. Transmission work is expensive. You don't want to have to do it twice, especially if you change over to a performance converter that's going to put added strain on this Flex Plate, on the stock Flex Plate. Just go ahead and eliminate that and get yourself a Billet Flex Plate from Suncoast. So if you have any questions about this part or any of our other products, please give us a call, like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.